Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can build a complete Laravel e-commerce project with admin panel using AI completely free. So I'll show you everything step by step from the very beginning. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, to make our Laravel project, we need to install XAMPP, Composer, Node.js. First, we need to check in our system is XAMPP installed or not. And if you don't have installed XAMPP, just go to any browser and search XAMPP and click this link. Here you can see XAMPP for Windows, Linux, and Mac. Downloading XAMPP is very easy like any other software. Now we need Node.js. We have to check that in our system is Node.js installed or not. Just here type node version, then enter. Here you can see a version. So this means our system have Node.js installed. So if you don't have, just go to any browser, then search Node.js. Here just go to this link. Then here click in download. Now download for your Windows, Mac, Linux. Just click in Windows installer MSI. And this is very simple like any other software. After installing Node.js, we need to check that do our system have Composer. Here you have to type Composer version, then enter. So in command prompt, you can see that here is showing a version. So this means that our system have Composer. So if your system don't have, just go to browser, then search for Composer. Here you can see Composer. Just go to this link and here you can download Composer for your computer. To make our Laravel project, we will use AI and we are going to use AI which is 100% free. We will use OpenCode.ai. Just here click in npm, then copy this command. Here search command prompt, then open. Then here just paste the command prompt. We just copied the npm. Here just press enter. This will help our system to run OpenCode globally. So here you can see that OpenCode is installed in our system. Now we are going to create a new folder in our computer. So here we will create a new folder, Ecommerce store. Then we will open this folder and here in this folder we will just search cmd, which will open the command prompt. And you know that we have just installed OpenCode. So here we will just type OpenCode, press enter. Here you will see an interface like this. And if I just click in tab, here you can see a plan mode. And again, if I click in tab, here you can see a build mode. Plan mode will help me to create a plan or prompting. And in build mode, it will help me to create files and others. Here you can see that AI model is big pickle. So if I want to change the model, here you have to just type /model. So here you can see there are a big pickle, link 2.6 flash and minimax m2.5 free. So I will just choose minimax. This one is very good and we will use this AI model for creating our Laravel project. Here I want to create an e-commerce website with admin panel and here I will just paste my prompt. So here you can see I have given my prompt and this is my master prompt for creating my website using OpenCode. And here I have given that I want to build a fully functional e-commerce website using Laravel 12 and my SQL database. The website will be an online store with a modern black and white color combination, giving a clean and premium minimalist look. The front-end design should be smart, elegant, and user-friendly with high-quality typography, well-structured layouts. We are right now in build mode. I will just tab and make this one plan mode and press enter. So this will ask me few more questions to make the prompt better. Okay, here I will just choose the standard one and here I will just confirm. To confirm, I have to press in enter. Just enter. Okay, this one is asking me that do you want me to proceed with creating the specific initially in the Laravel project? So I will just say yes. Okay, so database will be MySQL and admin. Okay, so I will just confirm. So we are right now in plan mode. So I will just tab and go to build mode and just say start building the website. Okay, so right now we will open the XAMPP and MySQL database. Okay, so then here start the Apache and MySQL. Okay, so if you have turned on these settings, so you will not get errors. So here you can see, so Laravel project setups in our folder. So it will take a few time and the project will be ready. But just I will copy this one. Okay, so right now I will just here I will just create type cmd, and here I will just type php artisan serve, then enter. So here you can see, copy this server code, then I will go to browser and paste this one. Okay, so here everything is not in order. I have checked, but not in order. Just make a perfect. Okay, so and then which will, I hope that before he fix, I will just check the admin panel, then search the admin panel. Okay, so here is our admin panel. This one is perfect, I have to say. And here email and password. I'll take an screenshot which will help me paste an admin, remember me, and login. Admin dashboard, which is also not perfect like the previous one. I will, so right now again I'll just type in command prompt that no, not perfect. Right now fix or remake. Again I clean e-commerce store. Even the admin panel is not perfect. So we have given our prompt again, and I hope this one will work. I will just right now check and refresh the page. So here you can see that our categories from here is removed, and in our home page here is an carousel which will automatically after 3 seconds will swipe. So this one is really amazing. I wanted this to add here. After completing the website settings, I will add the product image, and I will just scroll down. Here footer is okay. In shop section, all products, clothing. Here you can see that our blog section is also. I will just go to the admin panel, then refresh. I will just check that what he has worked in our admin panel. Here is dashboard, and carousel. So here you can see our carousel. I can edit here. Carousel, everything is customizable. Just I will take time and edit everything here. Right now I will show that how you can add a new product in our website. Just click in add product. I will just add pant, jeans, and choose image here. Okay. Alright, so here I have to set the price. I will just add like 50, sell price 45, stock 10. So here just create product. Product has been added. So if I go to website, just refresh, here is our pant added in our website. And now is about carousel. So I will show you that how you can add a carousel in our website. Just click in add carousel, just carousel name. This is just for tutorial purpose. So here you can see carousel is added. This is just for a tutorial purpose. So whenever you work for your website, just try to make sure everything is perfect. And if here you can see that our women's collection image has added. So here you can see that I have edited and added images in my website. So everything is okay. So I have kept 2 carousels in my hero section, and this is our product. And later I will add few images more, and this is our category section, new arrival. So we have here home page. Here is our complete home page with footer, and this is our shop section. Here is all categories like clothing, accessories, footwear, electronics. Here is contact page. Here I can edit everything. So, and here is blog section. So later I will add blog section. So admin panel. So this is our dashboard. Product. Here I have added every product, and here is categories, orders, carousel section. So I have created everything just for tutorial purpose. So whenever you create a website, always try to add image which looks better. And if you want to publish this website with Hostinger, you can watch our another video where you can learn step by step how you can upload your website in Hostinger. Thanks for watching, and subscribe to get more amazing beginner friendly videos.